yesterday. There was sun and there was rain. Beauty in the Monday.
Hello, welcome back to Life Millwave with Kelly and Dorothy.
Hello.
We have another treat. We have an unpaid sponsored video from Beebeecraft again.
Yahoo!
And I chose totally different stuff. Totally different stuff. So, let's get started. So, again, look at it. It had a white bag, you know, for shipping bag, but it's wrapped so well. So well. I love the way they wrap things. And there will be a code in the description box for a discount. And yeah, thank you again, Beebeecraft. We love doing this. Just love it. So one of our things that we're gonna do is we're gonna do advents for Valentine's Day this year.
That is awesome. We did that a few years ago.
A few years ago. It's been a while. So I saw these little boxes. Now it's a pack of 50, but
We have more than enough.
yeah. I saw these little boxes and I thought we can zhuzh these up. Could we make these ourselves? Yeah, but these are cute. So, Beebeecraft is gonna give us the base of the box and we can shush it up. It's got the score marks and everything. So you just build your little box. And it's actually in the shape of a gift bag. But
Excuse me.
you get the hiccups now.
Yeah, I have the hiccups.
I just finished eating, so. Okay, that's got to go in there. I'm just playing right now. Anyways, we got these little bags, and they've even, you know, they can. I said box, but it's more of a little gift bag.
It's a gift bag.
Yeah.
And miniature.
Yeah. So we will. I mean, they have hearts on them, but we will zhuzh them up all different ways.
I'm looking forward to it.
And we'll make little advent pouches for Valentine's Day. Sound good? I thought that would be fun.
Mm-hmm.
So we've got all of these.
Mm-hmm. That's fun.
You could do 2 years in a row.
You're no kidding. Yeah, we've got enough.
Yeah, that'll be fun. Fun. All right. Then
Excuse me.
we went this route. We've got, there's 50 in this one too. 50. Dorothy's got the hiccups.
I do.
They are barrettes. And these ones will actually stay in my hair too because they're nice and tight. I guess they're all the same size, I'm not sure.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, I think so. So, they're little barrettes. And
I obviously don't even know how to open it.
which, yeah, right there. Oh, it's because you got it stuck.
Oh, okay. I see. It's gonna be an interesting day, I can tell already.
Okay.
Oh, that will be fun.
Yeah. So, making fun barrettes, which would be great for our grandgirls, right?
Yep. Oh, yeah.
We bought a whole bunch of different ribbons. And nothing bright colored. We bought dainty stuff. Well, I mean, these are bright colors, but they're dainty, not...
Oh, they're very sweet.
What I mean is not, you know, flamboyant colors. Just nice, subtle stuff. And these are so soft.
Oh, look.
So,
Look at this beautiful peach color.
find the end of it here.
Oh my goodness. We've got peach, red, yellow, mauve, and pink.
Yeah. So just beautiful colors. So we'll be able to make some fun barrettes. So we got that ribbon. And then this one's gorgeous too. And this one we could probably put some of the small in too. This is gorgeous. Just gorgeous.
Oh, that is so beautiful.
So what we could do is little white thread and needle. And you go like this and then you pull it so that it makes like a flower kind of thing. And put it on the bread.
Very cool.
Yep. That is just. They are such nice quality. Like it's not picky.
No.
It's nice and soft. Like
it is.
You could use this on a garment and it wouldn't be picky.
That's really pretty. There's more.
Oh yes. And again, this one, we could put a colored ribbon in the
Right
holes.
through, yeah.
And then, there we are.
Oh, yeah. Eyelet.
Yeah. So we could put a thin ribbon.
Daisies.
And I have tons of thin ribbons. And you know, draw it. And again, like, feel how soft that is.
I did. It is beautiful.
Yeah.
And sweet little daisies on it by the look of it.
So that's cute. Dig a little deeper. And then
Oh, that's lovely.
and this one will be really pretty when it's like made into a flower.
Oh, yeah.
So, you know, like
That's very pretty.
making it into a flower like that
Oh, yeah.
on the breads would just be beautiful. So we got that.
Awesome choices.
And the last one, 2 pouches of it.
One has, they both have sequins.
Yeah.
Fancy dancy.
And this would be so cute in a little flower as well.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
And even though
look
it's
at
lace,
that.
it's not
It's
picky.
soft. It's soft.
Yeah.
I still have the hiccups.
I'm really pleased with these.
Oh, very pretty.
So, I mean, we can do a lot more than just Brett's, but I just thought that would be fun. You know, you've got a granddaughter, I've got a few granddaughters. We could make them some little Brett's. So, although I have one granddaughter that doesn't like to do much for their hair, but
Aw.
anyway. Oh, yeah, so, oh my gosh. Thank you again, Beebeecraft. These, I just see so much potential.
Oh my goodness, yes.
Yeah, I see so much potential.
Yeah, this is going to be awesome.
And even like this and this on the edge of the boxes would be cute as one of the advents. So, all right. So stay tuned for some fun videos with these items.
Yes.
All right. So thank you again, Beebeecraft. And there is going to be a description code in the description box for a discount. And yeah, we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.